Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and the unboxing of my first ever DeMarco watch. DeMarco watch. The DeMarco did send this to me in exchange for review and photograph, and I do get to keep it afterwards, and thankful I am for that. DeMarco is a, I think, US based microbrand. Came of course in an outer boxing, and inside of that outer boxing was this branded, pretty nice cardboard box. And inside of the cardboard branded box, we have another branded box. Oh, falls out nicely. Very nice presentation so far. And in that outer boxing, we had some goodies. Let's take a quick look at those. Actually, let's remove some plastic. So DeMarco did send along 2 sets of strap to this bracelet watch. We have a really nice, really soft rubber strap. Really nice, really soft. We have this leather strap, both with quick release. Leather feels decent quality, bit of padding. Will probably break in nicely. Pretty cool to get some extras anyways. I guess they send this out with every watch, but what you want to see is what's inside of this box, right? Camera seems to be struggling a bit with the focus today. We have foam. Oh, right up, we have it. Let's put that to the side. Anything else in the box? Nothing there. Oh, like a little tray. DeMarco.com. Well, instructions, we won't be using them. We have a cleaning cloth, and that's it. So let's do like this. Let's put this underneath the watch. Here we have the straps. But the thing you want to see is, ta-dam, their chronograph watch with a really cool purple dial. So let's remove some plastic and get into the watch. And here you go. Now that's a pretty cool looking watch, if I might say so myself. Mecha quartz movement, kind of a diver style chronograph, and I love the contrast with the hands and the indices and that really darkly purple dial. Nicely integrated color matched date wheel down at the 6 o'clock. Let's see the best selection. Really nice, crisp best selection actually. Is it the line? Yes, it aligns really, really well. Quick release on the bracelet, so you can use the straps very easily. I never owned a purple dial watch. It's gonna be fun. Solid links. Not much sharpness, so the finishing seems to be really nice. Combination of brushing and high polishing on that bracelet. That's smooth bracelet actually. Do we have screw pins? It looks like everything's solid. Milled clasp. We have on the fly. Now that was a first. There was a bit of plastic covering the pusher for that on the fly micro adjust. It's the nicer one where you have push to the side, slides back and forth. Seems to be about a link, I think. In adjustment possibilities, more plastic. Overall, really, really nicely finished. That purple is really cool. I don't know what's up with my focus today, but look at that dial. Metallic blue kind of. Really liking the high contrast. Bit of a boxed sapphire it seems almost. Got to remove the plastic on that one. Yeah, I think it's a boxed sapphire. So what kind of measurements do we have? I think this is slightly larger than I usually wear. Actually, I measured the case at about 39 millimeters, but the bezel protrudes a bit, so the bezel, depending on where we do it, is about 40. We have about 12.5 thickness, including that sapphire crystal, and a lug to lug of about 48. So that's a bit long for my wrist usually. Let's see how it wears. Let's just focus a bit on that bezel, scallop bezel. I don't think I've seen that on a chronograph before, a scallop bezel. All that printing looks really good actually. And sometimes quartz watches can feel a bit light or almost like a hollow feeling. But this watch actually feels really solid. Like I said in my Way for also chronograph a while back, it feels almost like it's supposed to be a mechanical or automatic. We also have a side screwing crown. All the details are really there, guys. Female end links. Really, really cool. I'm digging that bracelet. Seems to be pretty straight though, from 20 down to 18. Cool. I like the logo. A bit Lamborghini-ish. Quality seems solid, guys. Really solid. Let's put on wrist and then let's check it out on the rubber and stuff for the full review. That rubber is super soft. Roughly 17 centimeter wrist. I usually wear watches around 38, 39 millimeters. Quite a few links to spare. But that actually wears really good. It's really cool. I'm gonna enjoy wearing this watch. Feels like a comfortable watch. But it's really hard to tell how comfortable a watch is just from a couple of seconds of wear. You really need to try it out. I really dig that contrast, that really stark contrast. Now I'd choose between this and a light blue one, but I prefer the contrast of the numerals and that dark metallic sunburst purple dial. Awesome. Make a quartz chronograph, sweeps, snaps back. Nothing new there, but a beautiful watch actually. I'm really gonna enjoy wearing this one, trying it out, and in a few weeks hopefully I'll do a full review. Until then, you can check out some pictures of this watch and others on my Instagram, linked down below. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.